Remove and drain the water tank. Remove and discard the used water filter. Soak the new filter for 5 minutes, then rinse and assemble to mesh. Set the replacement date to 2 months ahead. Install the new filter into the tank and fill with water to the max line before reinstalling the water tank. Set a reminder to change the filter after 90 days or 10.6 gallons, or head to Breville.com and subscribe to an automatic top-up of parts and accessories, which will be delivered to you based on the requirements of your machine.